The Wells Fargo mobile app provides multiple convenient ways to find your routing number. The 2025 version features enhanced security and an improved user interface. Method 1 uses the Account Summary view. Navigate to the Accounts tab, select your specific account, then tap Account Details. Your routing number will be displayed in the Account Information section. Method 2 involves the direct deposit setup. Access the Account Services menu, select Direct Deposit, then choose Set up Direct Deposit. Both your routing and account numbers will be displayed for employer setup. Method 3 uses the Wire Transfer section. Navigate to Transfer and Pay, then select Wire Money. The routing numbers for incoming wire transfers will be displayed here. Method 4 involves digital statements. Access statements and documents, open any recent statement, and you'll find the routing number at the bottom of digital checks or in the account summary. Remember this important note. Wire routing numbers may differ from ACH routing numbers. Always verify you're using the correct routing number for your specific transaction type to ensure successful transfers. Wells Fargo uses different routing numbers depending on your location and the type of transaction you're making. Understanding these differences is crucial for successful transfers. For ACH transactions like direct deposit and bill payments, Wells Fargo uses state-specific routing numbers. Each state where you opened your account has its own unique routing number. For domestic wire transfers, Wells Fargo uses a single universal routing number regardless of your state. This number is 2110248 and works for all domestic wire transfers within the United States. International wire transfers require both a routing number and a SWIFT code. Wells Fargo's SWIFT code is WFBIUS6S. This code identifies Wells Fargo in the global banking network for international transactions. Security is crucial when handling routing numbers. Always log out completely after accessing your account information. Verify routing numbers through multiple sources for large transactions, and use secure networks when accessing banking apps. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't use outdated routing numbers from old checks. Don't confuse wire routing numbers with ACH routing numbers. And never share routing numbers through unsecured communication channels.